Baka masyad dikit dito. Mark! Get set! Go! Only 3 minutes! 3 minutes only! 3 minutes only! Alright! Yes, 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 yes! Ang galing ng mga strategies! Ang galing ng strategies! Okay! Ayan! Marami na ang tubig ng white team! Tignan natin yung iba! Tignan natin yung iba! Alright! Coaches, pakitingin! Coaches, bantayan nyo! Bantayan ninyo! Okay! Babawasan natin ng seconds. We'll go down to 2 minutes time limit only. Okay, 30 seconds left. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. All right. Let's go down to 15 seconds left. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up! Time is up! Okay, coaches, hindi na pwede maglagay. Ano naman dyan? Alright. Bring it on, red team. Okay, wait.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
I can hear you. Red team, are you ready?
Yes, we are! Yes, we are! Ready to fight and yes, we are! Ready to fight and yes, we are! Ready to fight and we will rock you! Beat you! We will rock you! Beat you!
Guys, we're the best team. We are the best team.
Yes, we are! And we will rock you! Beat you! We will rock you! Beat you!
Red team, let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go, go! Let's go! Let's go!
Who are we?
We are the red team!
Red team. Sinong magaling na team?
Magaling! Magaling! Magaling ang red team!
Sino nalaban? Red team, what do we stand for?
Creativity! Delivery solutions!
That's right. And together there's something we can achieve. Let's hear it for the red team.
Christian Blue Team, are you ready? Sanitec Blue Team, are you ready? Blue Team, let's go and fight!
Kuya Chris, kay Cindy po. Yung mic. Kay Cindy po pala. Okay, Cindy po. Takal naman!
Move, give way. Blue team is on the way. Move, give way. Blue team is on the way. Move, give way. Blue team is on the way. Move, give way. Blue team is on the way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, here we go. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, here we go. Say K-I, K-I, K-I. Boys and everybody sing K-I, K-I, K-I. Happy 35th year. Go again. Umpisa ng gabi. Sa SAP mag-start na rin. Everybody gather up and now. Team blue, 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 blue. Team blue, blue, fight for the gold, fight for the win, fight for the gold, fight for the win. Go blue team win.
Okay, round of applause.
Yes, we're ready. Yes, yes, we're ready. Let's go. Let's fight. Let's run. Let's go. Let's fight. Let's win today. Let's go. Let's fight. Let's win today. On, I. 35 years of hard work, inspiring and creativity. 25 years of giving, high quality and reliability. Let's go. Clap for Kristen. Everybody, let's clap for Kristen. Narana at magsaya. Thanks to Kristen. The green team who's the winner. Sas! The green team who's the winner. Kami malalakas, palaban at hindi kayo aatrasan. Hey! Now that you know our group, let me see your body move. Kaboom!
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 Tell the people who we are. Tell the people who we are. Tell the people who we are. Yo! Y! S! E! N! Let's go, Poison! I'm the best. We are the champions. We made a move.
Kaya mo
We
yan, te.
made a dance.
Kaya mo yan,
Let's
te.
make this day. Papa, we are the ones. No one can beat. Panalo, panalo, panalo na kami. Panalo, panalo, panalo na kami. We are the champions, the champion. We are the champions, the champion.
susunod na. Get ready, white team. Susunod dito ang white team.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Ready, ready,
Ready, ready! Ready, ready! Ready, ready! Ready, ready! Let's go, yellow, let's go! Let's go, yellow, let's go! Let's go, yellow, let's go! U Y S E N U Y S E N. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for.
Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. When we see the party's over, then we bring it back. We say, ooh, I love you when you do like that. When your clothes up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. When we see the party's over, then we bring it back. On the backseat when the rain is dark, where we are between the lights and dark. Ooh, I can get.
Ingat tayo sa laro. Oy, pasok! Oy! Kinabot! Hindi, sige na. Ano sinabi? Ahu, ahu. Hindi mo alam eh. Bakit na? Ano, Lala? Ano ba, Lala? Ayos, ayos! Ganda ni Baptista. Bakal! Bakal mo, bakal! Ang ganda na lang din. Basahin mo na lang!
Unique po yung language nila, Arabic yun, Arabic, kaya hindi nyo naintindihan. Okay? Yan! Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan?
Go, Lala!
Hussein and Sanita. May lalaban pa dyan? Aha, aha. Aha, aha. Aha. Masyadong sabay-sabay yan. Aha. Oh. Ha? Ayan. Oh, nandito ang ating Miss Earth 2020. Ayan. Okay?
Pakinggan niyo po yung message. Yes, ma'am.
Ang galing naman ni Randy Lee!
Bisa mo lang. Taper. Baka naman.
Galing naman ni Kansen! Hey, 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 hey.
Get set, go! All right, hadak. All right. Ayan na, malapit na. Oops, okay. Blue team ang panalo for this round. Okay, wait. All right, sige, hadak. Very good. Grabe. Alright. Grabe ang laban na to. Ang tagal. Woo! Ayan na! Laban! Okay, we have a winner. Green team. Alright, hatak. Very good. Wow! Ang galing! Ayan na! Hatak na konti! Kaya ba yan? Woo! Okay! Kaya ba yan? Okay, we have a winner! White team! Ang galing! Pink team and purple team. On your mark. Get set. Go! Pull! Ayan na! Pull! Kaya yan. Alright, hinahatak. Malapit na. Bumabawi ang pink team. Wow! Strategic. Bumabawi. Grabe ang laban na to. Wow! Ayan na! Pink team versus blue team. On your mark. Get set, go! Okay, okay, strategic attack. Boom! Boom! Ayan na, very good. Grabe ang laban nitong dalawang team na to. Masyadong energetic. Masyadong, oh, bawi, bawi, bawi. Ayan na. Oh, yan na. Ayan na, malapit na. Malapit na. Okay. Bawi, bawi, green. Bawi, green. Ayan na.
Konti na lang.
Konti na lang.
Yo!
Okay. Blue. Get set. Go. Okay. Ayan na, grabe. Grabe ang laban na to. Ayaw magpatalo ng bawat teams. Ang mananalo dyan, kakalabanin ang blue team. Grabe, ang tagal ng laban na to. Ayaw magpatalo ng bawat team. Grabe, ayaw magpatalo. Very strategic. Ang galing ng bawat team captain. Ang galing ng bawat team captain. Ayaw magpatalo, ayaw magpatalo. Ano? Ano na? Nagkukwentuhan ba? Ayan na, bumabawi lang pala. Nagpapahinga lang pala. Eto na, eto na, eto na ang round na to. Eto na, konti na lang, konti na lang. Bumabawi, bumabawi ang white team. Okay, we have a winner. Final of the championship round, tug of war, Guisen and Sanitec Company outing. On your mark, get set, go! Alright, ito na ang ating championship round. Okay, huwag bibitaw, huwag bibitaw. Babawi, babawi, babawi. Alright, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Hindi papayag ang pink, hindi papayag ang pink. Pinagbigyan ni Sir si Ma'am. Panalo. Ayaw ma-outside na kulambo si Sir. Pinagbigyan, kinindatan ni Ma'am. Nakindatan si Ma'am. Ay, si Sir. Ma'am Ella, Ma'am Rashid, cheering competition, games, and outfit. Ayan, so ito po yung naging ranking nyo. And then for a total, okay, cheering competition, 30%, games is 50%, and outfit is 20%, for a total of 100%. Dito po kayo iniskoran, okay? At according to dun sa ranking, ito na po yung result. Okay, dahil meron nagtay sa 5th place, ang tatawagin na po natin ay ang 7th place. Wala na po yung 8. Okay. For the average, with an average of 47.9%. 7th place is, ano po ba yung ating premyo? 1 million pesos, ganyan. Meron ba tayong i-award na premyo nila rito? For the 7th place? Pang overall, yes, pang overall. Overall lang talagang i-announce natin. Ano po itong mga, sa akin po ba ito? Sa isang group. Okay, okay. May tumawag na daw. So isang overall champ lang i-announce natin. Wala nang 7, 5. Okay. Sige. Po kayo lahat. The overall champion of Guisen and Sanitec Company outing 2024 is, with an average score of 83.8%, the champion team goes to, isigaw niyo yung team niyo, goes to Green Team! Okay! Sila po ang overall champion with an average score. Oh, okay. Yeah, ang second po ay ang white team. Ang third po ay ang orange team. Ang fourth ay ang pink team. Nag-tie po sa fifth place ang blue team and purple team. And seventh po ang red team. Ayan. Pero ang nanalo po, ang pinakamaganda at mataas ang score sa cheering competition is the purple team. Kasama yan sa kanilang score na mataas. Alright. Second ang orange team na 28.6% sa cheering competition. Parang overall champion tayo ah. Ang saya lang ng orange team. Parang overall champion ah. Ang third naman sa cheering ay pink team. Alright. Congratulations sa ating overall champion, the green team. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating green team. Okay, green team, picture taking na tayo. Picture taking na. Okay, for our
Okay, I'll make this very quick again. So, meron pa po bang nakatapos ng 6 kilometers aside from sa tatlong lumapit sa akin kanina? Taas ang kamay. Okay, announcement para po sa mga nakakuha ng 3 kilometers. Pwede po kayong kumuha ng tumbler pero sa office na po namin ibibigay. Please make sure you have a screenshot of the app, ideally, or at least a selfie, and then we will verify, alright? Okay, now, merong tatlong nakatapos sa 6 kilometers, and happy kami dahil ang close ng mga time nila. So for third place, with time of 50 minutes, 0.7, alright. Congratulations from the technical team, Mr. Arwin Salonga. Ang time niya ay 43 minutes and 41 seconds. For our second place, congratulations from KHQ Showroom, Mr. Ivan Morato. With 43.25 minutes from PNA, congratulations, Mr. Dewey Uy! Kinakagulat pa ba talaga natin si Dewey, yung pinakamabilis? Nasaan si Dewey? Ayan, naka-t-shirt pa siya. Talagang pinaghandaan ni first placer, oh. Sorry, nagising ka ha. And then yung bag. Congratulations!
Malungkot yung team ko kasi kami hindi naka-announce. Anyway, it's indeed a wonderful day sharing warm camaraderie with one another as we celebrate Cuisin's 35th year. Hence, this team building took place to show that everything is possible with the right amount of teamwork, dedication, and creativity. But of course, this milestone wouldn't be possible without these amazing people. Its employees. Thank you everyone for your hard work and dedication. Let's give ourselves a warm round of applause. Finally, before we wrap up the day, let's also appreciate the people behind our exhilarating and fun-filled activity. First, thank you to the HR team for organizing this team building activity. It's been a long time since we all gathered together. To our event organizers, BGCF Events, for preparing all the fun-filled team building activities. It was truly great. To the shareholders, thank you for supporting this activity. Congratulations to all the winners. To everyone here who participated, congratulations as well. We may not all be winners as sa competitions and sa games, but we are all winners because we gained new friends, learned to work together, and enjoyed our time here together. Thank you.
Okay, palagpakan naman natin ang orange team. Now, actually Arabic po yung sinabi nila kaya hindi nyo naintindihan. Dito tayo. Okay, dyan lang kayo. Mga teams, dyan lang kayo. Standby lang kayo dyan. Papanoorin natin ang ating blue team.
Let's win this fight! Let's go! Let's fight! Let's win this fight! Let's go! Let's fight! Let's win this fight! C-O-L! N-A-B collaboration! C-O-L! N-A-B collaboration! C-O-L! N-A-B collaboration! Do it! We got it! We will collaborate with you! Get out!
Oh, hey! Get!
Sobrang suabe, ang salbahe. Pagpalaban, ang atabe. At malakang na lang ang kailangan. Tapos na kagad ang usapan. I wanna see her booty go left, cheeky right cheek. I wanna see her booty go.
Meron pa pala! First on green team. Okay, second. Sino yung second? Blue? Ayun, tingnan niyo kung sino yung okay. Okay, and sino? Okay, second ang blue team. And then third ang yellow team. Fourth ang okay, check nyo nga muna. Ayan, purple and white. Check nyo yung white. I-check nyo itong white. Okay, next is purple team, and then white team, and then orange team. Okay? Paki-check na ito, tsaka yung orange. Yan ang mas mataas sa blue and first. Okay, pakidampot lang po ang mga straw at pakibigay sa amin. Team captains, pakilinis lang po ang inyong area at pakibalik sa amin ang lahat ng mga straw. Okay. Alright, pakidampot na lang ang straw, pakibalik.
Okay na po? Kakasya pa ako, kuya. Game?
Carlo. 1, 2, 3.